when you're in the background, you're still in the show. So I caught you moving a couple of times where you would just, first one, you like did this, like you were thinking you had to go or something, but oh no, I didn't have to go. So maybe that was just a mistake. Or you were just, maybe you were sitting on your toe or something and you're trying to adjust your comfort. But that little shake, that drew my attention, like what's he doing over there? It's supposed to be her, but she's like this and you're like, just quick shake. So everyone else is still, and that little thing draws your attention, even though it's small for you. Just fixing the shoe or readjusting your position or your weight because it's uncomfortable. It's like you're stuck there for that 15 seconds or whatever. Just deal with it, and next time hopefully you learn to land in a more comfortable spot. But that thing, I saw it twice, and the next one you're in the back and you just adjusted yourself. You're just not still, you just moved. And that little bit of movement makes a huge difference, and everything else is still. It's a very eye-catching thing. Like if I'm talking to him and she just does this, I might look, even though she's just brushing her eye. You know, it's something just motion. So that's something. You're still, even though you're not on, you're still on.